How to add your YouTube channel link in TikTok. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. To get started, open TikTok and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the Edit Profile button near the top of your page, scroll down to the bottom where you see the social section, and tap on Add YouTube. This will open a secure Google login window. Simply select the Google account associated with your channel and hit Allow to give TikTok permission to link the two. Once you've authorized it, you'll see your YouTube handle appear in your profile settings, and a dedicated YouTube icon will now live right next to your Edit Profile button for everyone to see. Here is an expert pro tip if you want a clickable link in your actual bio text. Not just the button, you'll need a business account or at least 1,000 followers. If you have those, you can go to the website field in your profile settings and paste your full YouTube URL there. This creates a large, highlighted link that's often more noticeable than the standard social icon. Now your followers are only one tap away from your latest videos. If this tutorial helped you connect your platforms, hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 creator tips. How many subscribers are you aiming for this year? Let me know in the comments.